Hi everyone, I'm Maddie Shops. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you from a slightly different setup, and I'm still gonna try and iron out the kinks of this setup. Since my last video, we actually have moved, and so I have a new space that I'm gonna film in. No more sitting on the floor next to my bed, but hopefully this is a slightly better look. Well, right now it's just the blinds, but as soon as the rest of the room gets set up, hopefully that will be a slightly better look, and I will get back in the rhythm of making videos going forward. It was kind of chaotic, with packing and then unboxing and getting settled in, and I really just haven't had a spare minute. So it's been several months, and you know what that means. The next Chanel collection has come out. So on my Instagram, I did a poll. I said I got my first item from the 22A collection. I have a couple more items I'm still waiting to come in. You know how Chanel does. It all kind of trickles in over, 1 or 2 months, several weeks. But this piece came in and my SA had it for me. And so I went in and picked it up, and I'm very excited. It's something very different that I don't already have. I don't think I have any Chanel items like this in my collection. So with that as the hint, leave your guess down below and we will get to sharing what I picked up. Okay, in here, there's the receipt. We'll cover that later. Okay. Now, this definitely narrows down what it is. It's not a bag coming in a box like this. Okay, guess number 2. You can put it down below. We have camellias again. We have boxes again. I feel like the last several times I went to the Chanel store, it was like there was a shortage on everything. And they're actually, I feel like, slowly starting to figure out a good system, with the different, I know that it's super annoying, the bag restrictions and the monthly restrictions. And now even there's rumors of a limit of 2 classic flaps per year. But it's starting to help at least there be more stock in stores. So when I went to go see this, there were several things in store, and my essay were saying that they aren't allowed to do phone orders until June 16th on the 22A collection. And I think that's helping, before none of it would even make it out. Excuse me. None of it would even make it out to the floor. Like, it was all in the back reserved. And now at least, you have a chance if you walk in without an appointment and wait in line to actually see something and get something from the collection. So for example, this item, I texted my essay if it was going to come in. He said yes. And then I went and made an appointment to go see him, but it wasn't on reserve. Actually, it was in the store. Like, anyone could have bought it. In fact, there was a pair of earrings I wanted that ended up getting purchased by someone else before I arrived, which, it's disappointing, but I think, it's fair. They were there first, and starting on the 16th, phone orders will be allowed. And at that point, I believe my essay will be able to source them from another boutique. So all good. Anyway, back to the unboxing. That's just a little background on the rules. I struggle to keep up because it is a little bit funny. Actually, sorry, we will get to this. It is a little bit funny trying to understand all the rules though, because for example, there are some things that are on pre-order or on reserve. And then there are some things that you can request, but you have to come in store to buy. And I believe that for the pre-orders and reserves, you have to go in person to get them, I believe. And so it is kind of like, it is both ways. So they are holding some items if you talked about it way in advance, but they're not holding other items. And I think it also, the confusing part for everyone, especially consumers, is they are ranking clients, which, yeah, I am not totally for, but I do benefit from. They're ranking clients, and there are different rules depending on how you rank, which is like, there are second-class citizens when it comes to Chanel, which is, it's just confusing and frustrating because I might say, oh, like my sales associate ordered this for me, and so I know that it's waiting for me and that it's mine, whereas someone else is like, wait, I thought there were no phone orders, and there's not, like when it comes to items like this, and it's just kind of a big mess. But in conclusion, back to the original point, I think it did help there be more stock in store, especially around like the first few launch days, because they couldn't hold everything. There were some items you have to put out, you have to show up, you have to buy it. And I think that would feel more fair to someone who doesn't have an SA contact. If they know what day to go to the boutique for the launch, which you can find out online, then I think that's like somewhat of a better system. So weigh in on all of that down below. What do we think? I think the 2 classic flaps per year, I do worry that that's going to make the reseller situation worse. Like that I don't know if I fully understand how they expect it to work. It would be interesting if they could come out and share, like, this is the cause and effect that we're expecting, because it's like the cause and effect that I'm predicting is, you know, resellers will use different profiles. You know, they have profiles of different contacts and then resell on the market for this huge markup because, you know, person A already bought a mini and a medium and wants a second medium in that year. And then I go back to, well, these bags last a lifetime. Like, how many lifetime bags do you need in 1 year? That's good food for thought for myself. Anyway, back to the unboxing. No more. It comes in this pouch. Since it's black, you can see every single speck of dust on it, especially with the light. Thanks for that. That's really exciting. Okay, to reveal. Oh, you can read what that is. We will return to this. Okay, where did the clip? Oh, it's only clipped on one side. Spooky. Oh, no, that's because I had it upside down. This long necklace, this gold long necklace, and oh, it's upside down. Hold on, let me just clip this side so we can get all situated. Okay, I'll just unclip it. Okay, hold on. Or maybe I'll rotate it. Oh, what a mess. We're working on it. Okay. So you can see in this gold and pearl Chanel motif necklace, this is also the one with the little lion, and I love this lion detail. Let's see, maybe it'll focus. It's such a cute little subtle, you know, there are some necklaces that they made that have like a really big lion in the middle of your chest, and I'm not quite ready for that, but I loved the subtlety of this necklace. I think it's really pretty. There's only 2 CCs and a few pearls, and so it's not as bang in your face. And actually this long Chanel necklace, this is something that I've had on my wish list for forever. And when I first saw it, I think as many people did in The Devil Wears Prada, when she's wearing, you know, it's like the Chanel boots. Yes, they are. But she's all dressed head to toe in Chanel, and she has these big long Chanel necklaces and like this page boy cap. Okay, maybe not the page boy cap, but the necklaces, I was like, I die. That's such a cute look. So when I saw this one, it spoke to me. I liked that there's nothing that can really fall off of it. Of course, like these fake pearls will scratch over time, but the other ones that they had like the little pearls on the CCs, and those are notorious for popping off. So, you know, costume jewelry, it doesn't last forever. You do have to buy it with the expectation that it's made to be used, and it will change over time. And, you know, these things just aren't super duper hard wearing. So this is what it looks like on long. And I could probably take off this other necklace. Let's see. Struggle. Okay. This is what it looks like on long, but I think I could probably also double it up. So let me try that too. But it's like really, you know, like with a sweater or something in the fall, or I could layer other necklaces with it. I just thought that I had this a little short, so maybe this one's Lily Sadugi. So it actually is kind of tone for tone pretty close, but if I did it longer, it's always hard to do this like on camera. Pressure. Like that's kind of a look. My hair. It is hot today, guys, so the hair is a little frizzing out. Okay, and then let's try doubling up this one. Let's see. Of course, it'll be like another struggle. Okay, what's the best way to do this? I think like this. Ooh, I'm liking that. And I think I got both CCs in the front. Okay, wait, let me take this This now maybe is too much. So let me take this other one off. If I can figure out how. There we go. So yeah, I think that is the look. Let me rotate this because I want the lion a little bit up. Yes. So now I have both CCs and actually all 3 pearls in the front. So that is what I picked up. So let's talk about info. So this is from the 22A. Was I saying 22A or 22K? It all kind of rhymes, so it just rolls off the tongue. And this was $1,225. It's called the long necklace, gold and pearly white. Here are the details. I don't know if that's focused. Well, you get the idea. And also, I don't know if that's going to be backwards. I don't know. So yeah, this is what I grabbed. I have a couple more items coming from 22A, including some ready to wear, which I'm really excited about. So an SLG, some ready to wear, and I'm debating a bag. We'll see. We'll see. That's all TBD. Anyway, please let me know if you like this video. Leave a comment down below, anything that you're eyeing from the 22A collection of Chanel, and otherwise, I will see you guys next when the rest comes in. I hope you're all having a great day. Okay, bye.